Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove Google account from your device Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to accounts. Go to accounts here. Then click on the email ID that you have associated with your phone and click on remove account and click on remove account be removed. If you have already set pattern lock or pin lock or any lock, then it will ask you to confirm with your pattern or pin or password. Okay, otherwise it will not ask. In my case, I did not set any pattern, so it is directly removed. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove Google account from your device. To confirm whether it is completely removed or not, go to Google Play Store and see that. If sign in is asked, that means no account is associated with your phone. Account is already removed from your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove Google account from your device Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.